Hi everyone, good morning. Let's talk about being dare to be exceptional. Dare to be exceptional is you not trying to be fit in, not trying to copy someone, because you cannot express yourself if you cannot be yourself fully. If you express yourself copying someone, but if you dare to be exceptional is you be a kind of unique person. Kakaiba ka talaga. There's something uniqueness in you. And most of the time, sasabihin ng mga tao sa paligid mo, nag-iba ka na. When you're trying to be there, to be exceptional. Pero hindi lang talaga nila masabi na nag-improve ka. So, trying to be exceptional is not trying to be a grown person, but a fully developed person. When you are exceptional, you are not trying to fit in, meaning you just not cope up only, but with the best change that you can have for yourself, with the best ability that you will have, you become to be a different from others, na mas malaki yung path na ginagalawan mo, and you should aim for yourself, not trying to fit in, but dare to be exceptional. Being exceptional is when you full out yourself from what you have. You're trying to be develop more, not just develop only, but be exceptional, be more to yourself. So dare to be exceptional, dare to be change more, develop more yourself with best that you can be, not just to fit in, not just to copying someone, but at the same time be yourself, give the best that you can be in everything that you can do. So be there to be exceptional, be there to be different. Thank you everyone, and good morning.